Hello and welcome to a balls and ramp experiment that we are doing in my house today. I have my helpers Yoshi and Oberon, and hopefully they won't get in the way of the experiment today. I want to show you that I have created an experiment here. I have two different ramps. They're both about the same length. One of them is taller. You might want to make your ramps out of books or things. I found a box and some books to create my ramps with. And we're going to be doing two different experiments. The first experiment is using the ping pong ball and the baseball. And I'm going to put them each on the taller, steeper ramp, and then on the more shallow, not so tall ramp. So I want you to predict right now which one is going to go farther of the orange ping pong ball or the baseball, and will they go farther on the tall, steep ramp or on the short ramp. So I'm going to do that experiment now. All right, let's see. These are the two balls I'm doing. I'm going to leave this here. I'm not going to push it. I'm just going to release it. And there it rolls down the hall toward my kitchen. Now I'm going to come back and do the ping pong ball, and then we're going to measure how far both of them went. Still rolling, still rolling. Ooh, a little farther. I want to show you that I've measured the floor with a ruler, and I've put a blue stripe every 5 feet. So that's 5. So this is 10. So it looks like the baseball went, I don't know, 9.5 or 10. And the ping pong ball went close to 15. So I'm going to call that 14. I'm going to go back and do them again on a smaller ramp. First the baseball, the shallower ramp. And then the ping pong ball. I'm just releasing it. Do you think they're going to go farther or not so far on the shallow ramp? So both of them seem to have gone more than 5 feet, but less than 10 feet. So I'm going to call that about 7 or 7.5 feet. If you want, you can write down your information on a chart like this, but I'm not going to worry about that right now. Mostly I'm interested in experimenting. So now I'm going to experiment with the next two balls, which are the tennis ball and the wiffle ball. And then first I'm going to do them on the tall, steep ramp. Let's do wiffle ball first. Ooh. And now tennis ball. Oh, it bumped into some of the other balls. So both of those made it close to the 10-foot mark, but a little bit before it. So I would call that around 9 feet. And now, again, I'm going to do them on the shallower ramp. I got some people observing me here. I got some dogs observing me here. All right, now we're going to do it on the shallower ramp. I'll start again with the wiffle ball. Interesting. And then last time here with the tennis ball. Obi is watching the experiment. So now all the balls have gone past the 5-foot mark. So I'm going to say the tennis ball is at maybe 6 or 7 feet, and the wiffle ball is pretty close to 10 feet, maybe 9.5 feet. I hope you've enjoyed this activity today, and I hope you will come up with some kind of experiment to test balls in your home. Bye.